Replacing your EveryDrop water filter is really simple. Replace your filter every 6 months to optimize contaminant reduction. First, make sure you have the right filter number and colored cap for your refrigerator. Remove, then recycle your cap. Next, find your holder. It'll be in the interior or at the base of your refrigerator. Pop out the old one. Have a cloth handy as there may be excess water. That's completely normal. Slide in the new one. You'll hear it click when it's locked, and close the cover. Thoroughly run your dispenser to activate the filter. You may hear a loud air pressure sound, but that's normal. Getting 6 new months of clean, fresh-tasting water and ice is as easy as that.
The EveryDrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator. Filter 1 EDR1RXD1 is designed to provide clean and refreshing water and ice by removing contaminants from your refrigerator's water supply. This filter is compatible with various Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Maytag, and JENN-AIR refrigerators, making it a versatile choice for many households. Key features: filtration performance. The filter effectively reduces contaminants such as lead, chlorine, mercury, and other harmful substances, ensuring that the water and ice produced are safe and enjoyable. Certified by NSF International, the filter meets rigorous standards for water quality, which adds to its reliability. Easy installation. Customers report that the installation process is straightforward. The filter typically twists into place without the need for tools, making it user-friendly for anyone to replace. Longevity. Each filter has a recommended lifespan of approximately 6 months or 200 gallons of water, depending on usage. This longevity means fewer replacements and less hassle for users. Compatibility. The EveryDrop filter is compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, making it a convenient option for users of different brands. Design. The filter features a sleek design with a purple color code, which not only makes it easy to identify, but also adds a modern touch to your refrigerator setup. Customer feedback. Positive aspects. Improved taste. Users frequently mention a noticeable improvement in the taste of both water and ice, praising the filter's ability to remove unpleasant flavors and odors. Ease of use. Many reviews highlight the simplicity of replacing the filter, with clear instructions that make it accessible for all users. Quality assurance. The filter's certification by NSF International reassures customers about its effectiveness and safety. Negative aspects. Price. Some customers feel that the filter is on the pricier side compared to generic alternatives. However, many agree that the quality justifies the cost. Availability. A few users have noted issues with availability in local stores, although online purchasing options are generally reliable. Durability. While the filter's lifespan is generally praised, there are occasional reports of filters not lasting the full 6 months, particularly in households with heavy water usage. In a general conclusion, it should be said, the EveryDrop by Whirlpool Ice and Water Refrigerator Filter 1, EDR1RXD1, stands out as a high-quality choice for those looking to ensure clean and refreshing water and ice. With a solid 4.7 out of 5-star rating, it offers excellent filtration performance, ease of installation, and compatibility with various refrigerator models. While it may be slightly more expensive than some generic options, the benefits of improved taste and certified safety make it a worthwhile investment for health-conscious consumers. Overall, this filter is highly recommended for anyone seeking to enhance their kitchen water quality.